Hello YouTube! Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be unboxing the Asus Zenbook Duo. So I've seen a lot of recent reviews of it. I wanna unbox it and make a review of it from an end user, a consumer standpoint. So without further ado, I'm gonna open this thing up. I'm gonna try to open it up here on the table. And I hope the other camera can see as well. So there you go. There's another box inside the box. By the way, before I begin, I want to share what I got for this purchase. It might be different for each country, but here, I bought it here in the Philippines, in Manila, for 79,000 pesos. I also got a backpack. Asus backpack. I'm not gonna open it because I'm not gonna use it. If you're interested or you want to swap something for this, just message me down below. It actually comes with a 2-year warranty. So here, it comes with this Asus sleeve. And also, it comes with a stand. I am not quite sure how to use this yet. I'll explain more as you know, as we go along. Let's try to open up this baby. Now, open this. So there you go. So it comes with the charger. What I got is the i7 16 gigabyte RAM. If you want more, then don't get it because the RAM is actually soldered onto the motherboard. So there's no upgrades after this. So you're stuck with an i7 10th gen and a DDR3 16 gigabyte RAM. So it's quite lightweight for what it is. Looking at it, so it has the Screen Pad Plus. It also has the Intel i7 10th gen support for the stylus, Wi-Fi 6, IR camera, the Ergo Lift hinge, and it's apparently military grade, ultra durable. What is military grade anyway? Can I shoot this? Is this bulletproof? This also comes with the user manual, of course, the warranty card, and of course, it comes with the stylus pen. It's pretty kick-ass, if you ask me. I hope I don't lose this. So as you open it, there you go. It says creativity starts here. Screen Pad Plus. So there's the actual laptop. So as you can see, there's the power socket. There's an HDMI socket there, a USB 3, and the Type C. And on the other hand, you also have a USB, an audio jack, and also an SD card reader.
A few moments later.
So here I am, I'm back after installing all the applications that I need. Apologies again for the look. This is my ECQ quarantine castaway look. I'll shave it afterwards, but not for this video because I still need it for another sketch. Anyway, getting back to the product review. So I started installing application. I started around like 7 p.m. and finished about 2-ish. I had like around 30 or 20% battery left. That's about 7 hours with 15 to 20% battery life left. So I'm assuming about 8 working hours. I was expecting less for something with 2 monitors, you know. Speaking of which, I was also expecting this to be thicker than the usual laptops, but it's not. It has an IR camera which you can use Windows Hello now to unlock your device. So just like this. The cool thing about the second screen is it's touchscreen, and with the stylus pen you can actually draw and paint. Now I can sign documents like PDFs without printing it out and scanning it and resending a document. That's one of the pros of using this. If you're a graphics designer, you'd probably love this. From the about 7-8 hours of using it last night, what I noticed is when I'm using the computer, especially after like a couple of hours, I slowly like crouch like this, right? So the thing is, with the angle required to view the second monitor properly, I am forced to actually straighten up, which means I'm gonna develop good posture using this thing. So that's another plus. That's another plus for me. Of course, I'm gonna have things that I don't like about this. One of it is the layout. Okay, the trackpad I kind of like. The cons, I think, is where they put the shift key. I don't know if you've noticed, but most laptops, the shift key is on the edge. This one is right next to the page up or the up arrow, but it's on the right side. And you're so used to the standard keyboard that whenever I think I'm pressing shift, I'm actually pressing up. So that's, you know, that's one thing that I didn't like. Another thing about the Zenbook Duo, unlike, you know, the regular laptops where this is a blank space where you can rest your hands, you know, I always touch the keys here. You know, I keep forgetting that that's where the keyboard is now. I'm sure, you know, I'll get used to it after a while. It gets quite hard though when you put it on your lap. But if you put it on a regular table or a regular desk, it's fine. So one thing I do not get is when you disable the screen pad, for example, it turns off the second monitor. Then when you turn it on again, everything is kind of screwed up and nothing is in place. You have to move everything back to where it was. Although the trick is you just click the shortcut buttons or the group buttons and then they'll rearrange everything. So at least they compensated that way. So let's hear a sample audio from the laptop.
And this is a very tough draw. We knew Kelly wanted to come in this contest just to play a part in this world title race, and he gets his opportunity
a sample
now
audio
for
music, like for music videos.
I'm the one that drives away, then follows you back home.
So one of the reasons why people buy this laptop, considers buying it or is considering buying it, is most likely because of the dual monitor, which then you're able to multitask. Just a sample of use cases of the two monitor, for example. Let's say I want to edit my videos, for example. Usually how I like this done is I actually have the image on top. Let's say if I wanted to edit the curves, for example, I'd carry it down here where I can move the curves around. So that's how this multi or dual screen helps me to do. This is how easy it is to actually edit a video as well, and how productive it is, where you can have two screens, where this is your video editor, this is your file explorer, and this is the project folder for your editor. So you just drag and drop. You could just grab. Also, using the dual monitor to edit the videos, for example, you can click on the video, and on your other screen you can just change. Now, it used to be hard to switch through multiple workspace or desktops. With the regular laptop, I think it's Control Alternate Tab, just moving around other workspaces. So here, what you just do is you just swipe and click, and you're on the next workspace. Also, one of my favorite things is the shortcuts. I just go in and everything is ready. It's one click of a button, all the applications that I need starts. Just takes a while. So you would see I have my editor here, my IDE is already here. So I can code, and I have my database browser here. So let's say I want to go with my regular day and check my emails and messages. So you can group all of them that way. You can have your browser there, you can have your emails there, you can have Slack or whatever chat system you use, and then you can have whatever management system or whatever you do basically. So there's communication, there's work, and you can always switch it around with one click of a button. Right, that's how it's gonna make me productive. It's really a good buy, especially for the price you pay for it. So that's my review of the Asus Zenbook Duo. My final rating, I would give it an 8. I took away 2 points because I can't really use it on my lap or in small spaces, but as soon as you put it on the desk, it's a monster. So okay, maybe an 8.3. Hopefully I was able to help you decide if you're gonna buy this product or not. I also hope I was able to show you the features of the laptop, how productive it could be, and its potentials. That's it. Well, if I was able to help you, please do click subscribe, like, or whatever you kids do nowadays. And I can't promise I'll make more videos like this. I only do these once in a blue moon. Actually, I don't even remember the password to my old channel. So this is actually quite a new channel. I probably have like less than 10 subscribers right now. Anyway, goodbye. Thank you. Maraming salamat.